Why isn't it working? Come on. Do the thing. No, I didn't want to do a prediction that time. Why? Huh. It doesn't have any logs. Why doesn't it have any logs? I feel like Twitch didn't send me the event. Hold on. Well, so actually we can test this part, right? Um Oh no. I didn't even see a problem with this. I spotted it as soon as I moved it up here. I give you a hint. It's pretty close to my mouse cursor. Yeah. 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 That'll do that. All right, let's just run this part. Rust wouldn't let you do this. So true. I mean, it would if your JSON was just a string, though. Okay. So let me just simulate this with localhost 3001 webhook. Okay. It works now. That was I feel like that was pretty unsatisfying, the solution there. But oh well. We can da, da, da. Rust wouldn't have done this to me. Yeah, it's a really simple bot that just all it does is listen for events from Twitch that say I'm live, and then it calls a webhook to send a message in the Discord. I had this bot previously written in Node, and it just like, I don't know, it just crashes all the time. I don't know why. So I'm rewriting it in Bash so that it'll be more robust. And you know. Yeah. Because a fun fact about Bash is that it rhymes with crash. So it doesn't do that. Just, I don't know, I think it's just a cool feature. Okay, it's for sure gonna work now, but I'm not gonna try it again. We'll have to find out next stream. It'll be the cliffhanger of a century. I know, right? Okay. I have one more bash stack thing that I want to do before tomorrow, which is that I really want to create I want a sketchy how to say this? You know how like you know how there's like this and you do like npx create react app my app? I want this for bash stack. Maybe not npx. Well, maybe npx because that's actually pretty funny. Should we put it on npx? What do you think? Yeah, I was thinking we just have it as a you like curl it. We do one of those yeah, like this one. One of these good old fashioned curl into sh. BPM bash package manager? I'm sure that already exists. Here we go. B package. JavaScript has npm. Thank you for the raid. Am I using CGI? No, it's much worse. It's much, much worse. Check it out. We're using what is it? It's like no, UCS this one. We're using the TCP server program. I don't know, we just went on a tangent to find out about a bash package manager. Also, how was your stream? And thank you for the raid. But we just found this. We just started reading this README. I have no idea what this thing is. You're tired and hungry? I kind of am too. It's relatable. Bash has packages? Sign me up. Bash my head into a wall. I don't exactly know what this is. Like install term? What's the term package? Terminal fun written in bash. TCP server is neat. You can technically do TCP in bash natively now, but it's like it sucks. And this is just, I don't know, it's a really perfect abstraction for this sort of thing. I mean, CGI makes more sense, but that's kind of cheating because they do all the parsing for you. So the problem with Netcat is that Netcat is you can't like, I forget what the exact terminology is, but you can't like multiplex the connection, right? You can't like listen to multiple clients at the same time. And Netcat like hogs the port with the one connection. I don't know what words to use, but forget Netcat, use Netcrab. I rewrote it in Rust. Did you? Oh my god, I can't type. I was excited. Wait, what environment variables does this do? Oh, just some IP stuff. Now you feel bad. No, don't feel bad. Uh, yeah, this is pretty cool. I like it. And it seems like a pretty sane dependency for this project. Okay, I don't think we need bpackage, but I wanna create some sort of installer script. So what does their installer script actually do? Oh, whoops. Okay, let me curl that. I love the idea of Rust, but holy hell, do I feel exhausted writing Rust code? All languages do this. That's fair. Oh boy. This looks long. We do some Rust here sometimes. I'm not like, I wouldn't say I'm a like Rust expert, but I'm definitely a Nix expert. I wrote a whole flake file one time. What is your go-to language if you need something more complex than Bash? I'm confused by the question. What do you mean? Are you implying that the Bash can't do everything? I mean, like if you couldn't use Bash, what system am I programming for that I can't use Bash? Windows? I try not to program for Windows. If I can avoid it. No, I can give you a serious answer. Um I use a bunch of languages. My last job we used Golang and TypeScript. Before that I did a lot of C++. Before that I wrote a lot of PHP. I've written a lot of Java for some reason. Sounds like game dev path. Yeah, I got my start with PHP. Well, actually, I got my start with Game Maker scripting language. And then I wanted to make a website to promote my game, which I never finished the game, but I had a really cool website. So I learned PHP to build the website. Started with HTML4. Whoa. I started with XHTML, by the way. Anybody remember Game Factory? Most of the peeps that I know who use Bash quite a bit tend to also like Python. I have written a small amount of Python. Python's like my go-to, like, I need to do technical interviews language. Started with basic. Very cool. Python's in the new Perl. Okay. I need to focus for a second and do the thing. What are we actually trying to do? So I want to make a new. Hey Evan. I want to make a new thing. Wait, Evan, are you live? Are you fishing in my chat while you're live? Let's call this install. No. Bootstrap.sh. I don't know. What should we call this? This is the hardest part. I'm going to call it Bootstrap for now. User bin env bash. To do. Write this. Okay, now we just needed to do this. Oh, thank you for that. Yep. No, that's good. So this is my other color scheme that I like to use. For those that are new here, I'm sorry. It is a nice color scheme. Wow, the cooldowns thing is not working anymore. Oh, it is working, but it's doing the stupid thing where the CSS doesn't work on new elements. God. OBS kind of weird. I'll have to fiddle with that. I'm just kind of waiting this out right now because I don't even know what to. I have an idea actually. I kind of want to get unfollowed, blocked, reported. Honestly, fair. Did you ever get accidentally raided by Strager or something? Accidentally? What does that mean? Why is the hot dog not going away? Has it not been 2 minutes still? Okay, there it goes. Okay. I kind of want to ask ChatGPT it does feel like 10 minutes. What it thinks about how we should do this. So let's just give it some context. Hello. I have built a new web framework in Bash, and I want to create something similar to create React. Imagine greeting ChatGPT. Yeah, you gotta be nice to it. Do you ever say thank you to it? Define web framework. It's similar to Next.js, if you're familiar. I want to create something similar to create React app to bootstrap a new app in Bash stack. I want it to be the type of script where you just curl some shit into... No, it doesn't like when you swear. Where you curl some stuff into sh, and then it just does the magic. Can you please write me such a script? How hard is Go? It's not too hard. Hello, congratulations on building your new web framework in Bash. Oh, thank you. Creating a script similar to Create React app that can bootstrap a new app in your Bash stack is a great idea. Thank you. Create mywebapp.sh. All right, we're gonna do. I don't know if I agree with this shebang, but sure. We'll set E. Example path to your framework. Okay, so we're gonna download a zip, I guess. Okay, we got a nice little show usage. Hey, at least it didn't set X. I hate when scripts set X. Okay, we got a function to download and extract the framework zip file. Okay, I like these curl flags. We unzip it and we remove the zip. Should it create a directory called project name? Probably. Let's just keep reading. Maybe it does that. It does. It makes the directory. It copies everything from your framework. This is actually kind of exactly what I want. It feels awkward. Okay, wait, we have some caveats. Yeah, it didn't quote a lot of things that I would maybe quote. Please note in this example, we're assuming that you've zipped your web framework. Yeah. Okay, I should probably do that. Wait, bash dash s? Oh, right, because we have to pass an argument to the thing. I kind of want it to just, instead of taking the project name as an argument, can we... Okay, wait. If the project name is not provided as an argument, can you make it so that it interactively prompts the user for the project name? What did it change? Oh, it did do the thing. Wow. I might just actually use this. I kind of thought this would be a meme, but this is a fine script. All right. Well, should we thank it? Thank you. Ask it to write traps. Do we need any? Can you make this script robust and battle hardened? Okay, more robust and battle hardened. We can implement some additional features and error handling. What's it changing? Ooh, is valid project name. Check if the project directory already exists. That's so smart. Oh, it tells us all the things it added. It quoted a bunch of variables. No way. Yoink. Should check for existence of unzip? Probably. The thing is, I don't know. I don't know if I want to download a zip. Because what zip is it gonna download? Like, I feel like I'm gonna have to create that zip. I kind of wanted to just encode the zip in the script. That feels a little over the top. Yeah, whatever. Okay, let's steal this. You can actually concatenate data at the end of a script though. Do I want to do that though? No, but it's fun. Sometimes if the scripts I write don't require sudo, I'll have a check to make sure the user doesn't run it with sudo. Oh. We're still missing a bunch of quotes in places. Make it sort of work. Yeah. We can do that. Oh. So close. Oops. God, my brain's not working right now. Project. Yeah, this is all good. Maybe we'll just make like a GitHub action to do a release, and that builds the zip. Is there a way to get the like latest release on GitHub? I don't even know how to go to releases. What do I have that has releases? None of my projects have releases. Here, this has releases. Tags latest? Nope. Okay, latest redirects you to this. So I did latest checksums. Nope. Okay. No. Surely there's a way, right? GitHub latest release URL. You can share a link to the latest by adding releases latest. Okay, that works. Let me write that down so I remember. Well, I can actually just put it in now, right? So this is gonna be me, bash stack. I don't know, call it like template.zip or something. Oh wait, why does it call it your framework? That's not gonna work. Why not make the main distribution be the same as the template? Sorry? What's the main distribution? I'm thinking though that we don't release.zip. I mean, I don't think there's a standard for what the release is called. I'm not really following. I don't like how it just kind of downloads it to like your working directory. And like leave it like it kind of just makes a mess. Maybe we can ask ChatGPT to revise. Can you, what do I want? Can you use a temp directory instead of the working directory for unzipping and stuff? any pre-built binaries you have. In your case, none. But I am going to pre-build a zip with all the things that I want in it. Ooh, it's going. We'll now create a temporary directory using maketemp. Nice. Then you're doing code gen? No. I mean, zipping up a release and uploading it isn't... I don't know if that's code gen. I don't see what it changed. I made a tempter. Oh, right here. Your framework. Just have a config file for the local project with its name in it. What? Wait, where did it move the base URL and the zip name to? They're in main. Interesting. I wonder why I moved them down there. Oh. Yeah, maybe. I don't think we're gonna have any things that like the project name gets used for. But maybe. Okay, I like this being up here. What's the difference between unzipping a release zip? Right now, not a lot. Hmm. Yeah, there's some things that maybe it could do. I don't know. I think this is good. I don't really have any notes on this. I don't know what the point of this is valid project name is. It does still say your dash framework, which wouldn't be your dash framework. It would be a template. We would have a source folder for the user's app, right? Project name may be used in URLs. Yeah, maybe. I mean, we can do that. We can. That's not too hard. But we need to create the template first before we can like fill in stuff like that. Bootstrap script v1. Oh, I didn't add it. Okay. Oh no. So I think I'm going to make a new app in the examples folder. Called template. Let's see, what do we not need in here? Should we ship the template with the Docker file? I think that's actually kind of useful. We have hot reload. It's not live reload. So it doesn't refresh your page. We could add that. But that's like a bit more work. What we have instead is like, okay. Let me start this app. Let's go classic 6969. And let me do this thing. Okay. So if I go to localhost 6969, I have the app running. Now let's say that I come in here, I edit index, and I change this to say hey, thanks for the follow. I change this to say template. Now if I refresh, didn't have to like restart or anything. It doesn't automatically refresh the page. I guess we could add that, but like I don't know, it's a little bit sketchy in this context, I think. Yeah. So we were thinking, what are we thinking? This should be like project name. Okay, we can source config. And we can edit. What file are we in? XSS incoming. Template. That seems to work. Just make sure that was okay, yeah. That is lucky. I mean, you'd be XSSing yourself. So, like, is it really an XSS? I think any web framework lets you XSS yourself if you try hard enough. Let's see. What should we do as the example app? Should we do like the classic like counter? We'll add like a button. Add the logo. The logo's up here in the top right. That's built into the framework. The framework gives you the logo. You can't remove this without modifying core, and that's a feature. Actually, you can set a hide logo. I forgot about that. There, now it's gone. $5 a month to remove the logo. Let's see. How do we do this? I guess no. What do we do? We do component count. So now we need to make a new page called count. Okay, we got the count. But instead of 0, we should do count equals cat data count. We'll do a if that doesn't exist, then we'll put a 0 into the count. Okay. We need This makes me want to change something in core actually. When we do components, request method. So we can do request method equals post increment the count. So we'll say count equals count plus 1. And then we will put that into the file. And that should be good. HX post. Wait. How do you do this? It's been a minute. How does this work concurrently? Don't worry about it. It's probably fine. It's left as an exercise to the application developer. It's a bit of a you problem. Okay, so we post to count. And then we want to do a swap. Swapping. I think we want to do an out of band swap. In the response. Okay, so this should be like, how does it handle sessions? What do you mean by sessions? We have cookie support. You should have set them yourself. Like a user session? I mean, we don't, that's not a feature we have. Who uses user sessions anymore? Let's be real. The 90s called, they want their cookies back. Yeah, I mean, it might be a good feature to have. Let's give this ID equals count. And then we do hx swap equals none, I guess. Let me delete that. I think this works. Is that the whole app? Count. If you refresh, you still have your data. What more could you want? That's pretty good. I think that's a good sample app. Do we want to give it some nicer CSS? Or is this good? That's probably good. Oh, you know what? Here's what we'll do. We'll add counts. I don't know, 20 px 30. That looks weird for some reason. Just add some margins. Sure. Easy. Oh, wait. Maybe... Oh, no, wait. There we go. We could add a reset. Let's add a reset. In case you want to, set the count back to 0. Yeah, this will be good for the example. So this one's just going to do component count. Ooh, delete method? Delete method on count? That could be good. I wanted to showcase some of the other things you can do, though, in bash stack, so I think I'm going to do it this way. This is Tokyo Night color scheme. This is the thing I wanted to showcase. Return status code. What's a good status code for this? There's like a method not allowed, right? 405, method not allowed. So we just return a 405 if they don't do a post. Only allow posts to this endpoint. And then we just go to the index. We add a second button. Reset. 418. No, we gotta be semantic here. This is like, this is example code that everyone's gonna be reading. That's a pretty good app if you ask me. You can like feel the latency when you click. What happens if I hold down enter? That actually works fine. We should probably do a little bit of... Oh, no, wait. Those aren't indented. Oh, wait. But maybe this whole thing should be indented. Have I played the password game? No, but I've seen spoilers on other people's streams. It looks miserable. It doesn't look like a good time. Okay, I think this is pretty good. Add... Oh, wait, what's in the get ignore? Those are the right things. Add template example projects. Okay. So what do we do now? We need to make the GitHub action. Surely there's one for releases. Really? That's it? GitHub actions make release. Oh no. I never know which one to use on here. I mean, this one looks fine. Create a GitHub release and optionally upload an artifact to it. Create a release when a tag is pushed. Oh. That's kind of a neat trigger to use. Is that what I want to do, though? Or do I just want to... Why not create your own action? Everything else other people make sucks? I don't know. Actions that like do stuff with the GitHub API are kind of annoying to write. Artifacts. So you just give it like, yeah, a list of the things. Yeah, that makes sense. What's body file? Oh, is that like, gotcha. That's like the release notes. We're not going to do release notes right now. Do I want it to be on a tag push? I'll tell you what it's going to do. It's going to upload template.zip. Yeah. That's it. I kind of want it to just be, let's see. You must provide a tag either via the action input. Okay. How do I make a tag? If this is omitted, the get ref will be used if it's a tag. I wonder if GPT could create the action. Maybe, but I don't know. I can also do it. So I've got an example of this over at Rollycubes. Where we deploy the game, we take inputs. Hey, Coppinger. How's it going? Have a good night. I think you might have been a little too late to type that in Coppinger's chat. How is your stream? As they say in New Zealand, I assume. I don't know. Do they say it in New Zealand? I know they say it in Australia. How you going? Inputs tag. Description tag. Required. How you garn. Don't know if you get to use that one. Oh, come on. Who made you the police? Look at me. I'm the police. GitHub action input workflow dispatch input types. What do we got? Choice, Boolean. Can I get like a string? String. Oh, that's the default. Okay. That would doesn't hurt to be explicit, right? String. And then to use it, you do this thingy. Inputs tag. Okay, looking good, looking good. Now we just need to make template.zip exist. How do you do a step that just like runs stuff? Oh, just like this. No. This editor's a little bit build the template zip. How do we do zip? Okay, so you do the zip file and then all of the files that you want to put in the zip file. Yeah. What are the other options? No, I think we're good. I think we just do zip template.zip and then all the files that we want to put in it. which is a good question. What files do we want to put in it? Hi, how's it going? Okay, we're definitely going to want core.sh. Index.sh? No, start. And then we're going to want, am I really a cop? No. We're going to want all of the files in here, but this is where it gets a little bit tricky. What files do we want? Like, how do we want to express this set of files? Thanks for the follow. Do I do my own artwork? For like the emotes and stuff? No, I have I pay somebody on Etsy. I guess it's time to stand up. We're back up here. I wish I was that good at art. Could you imagine? I guess let's try this out locally. So we're saying we're gonna do zip template.zip core.sh start.sh. Probably stick the license in there. And then we want examples template pages. Wait, I thought I changed first. Oh, you know, you know why? It's because we restarted the stream a couple times. That's why it's still available. We reset the redemption. Okay, what happens if I do this? Stored 0%. Wait. How do you like go to a directory? Okay, so all it stored in there was the directory and not any of the files inside the directory. That's fair. Dash R on what? On zip? What am I listening to? R on zip, okay. Zip dash R. Okay, that worked. Maybe what we actually want to do is like move everything from template to the root directory. Yeah, let's try this. So if we move, because we can do like destructive things in CI and it's okay. If we move everything, well, hold on now. Yeah, this is a tricky one. Okay, that does that. Which is actually okay. And so now we have everything is in like the root folder. So we could just delete Bootstrap and examples and README. Okay, let's do this. Move examples, template, star to dot, echo okay, because it's gonna get mad that that fails. And then we're gonna rmrf examples. You can do multiple things to rm, yeah. I'm gonna get rid of examples, README, and Bootstrap. And then we do zip r star. Template.zip. Yeah, that just puts everything in there. Okay, I think that's going to be good. Let's give that a try. Is there a weird new line here? Okay, so we can come to releases. We can run the workflow. We get to specify our tag. So let's do 0.01. Run. Oh, you know what? That might... What is... Okay. If I do lsla star... That's not gonna, oh wait, LSLA. GH release create tag generate notes. True. Okay, what's in here? So we have config, core, start, license Docker file, static, styles, and ooh, where did upload.sh come from? That's okay. That means I just forgot to delete it. Examples template. rm upload.sh. Not real. Why does one of these have the executable bit set and the other ones don't? Let's, none of them need to have it. Okay. Oopsies. Oh, yeah, whatever. Get over it. What does the generates notes do? Does it just do it from the like commit messages? We can add that. That's cute. Generate release notes to okay. Now we can do 0.0.2. Hmm. It's not very exciting. I don't know. I expected more for some reason. Oh, indicates that the release should be the latest or not. Wait, you can make a release that's not the latest? Okay. Looks like it automatically does that. There's like a lot of options here. All right, let's try out our script. Enter a project name. My cool new app. Oh no. Cannot stat. Oh. Tempter template. I see. Can't we just bring the whole folder over? Wait, unzip dtempter. ChatGPT lied to me. I think we should just be able to take the tempter, slap it into here. Codeworks is preferable, surely. My cool new app. Ah, it didn't clean up after itself. My cool new app. Oh. LS, my cool new app. Look at all the things. Okay, so this doesn't have its own Git folder. Do we want it to have a Git folder? I don't think so, right? Just create React app, do a Git init. That would be weird. I feel like that's your own thing to do. Yeah. The less interaction required, the better. Right, so the main thing left to do now we could probably detect what platform you're on and install the TCP server. But I'll save that for another day. I wanted to call it create BS app. So I feel like the last thing to do is just set up the like cute little URL. So how do we do this in Caddy? we basically want to serve a URL that's like here. We want to serve this. Caddy serve remote file. I'm not sure if file server can do, because I wanna serve it direct from GitHub. I just wanna like, honestly, maybe I just do a permanent redirect. I could do that. Permanent redirect. Reader. Okay, we don't need to do permanent yet because that's scary. Docker compose. Is that gonna... Can I restart like one specific thing? Yeah. Restart Caddy. That's probably gonna restart everything because they're dependent. Maybe they shouldn't be. Why are they dependent actually? They totally don't depend on Caddy. That doesn't make any sense. Mopes. So if I go to create bash stack, okay, I get redirected to, which should work with curl, right? Uh-oh. Does it not? I think you have to do a, like, follow redirects or something. Redirect? Um... If the server, okay, you need a -L. It's a little annoying, but yeah, we can do a -L. It's fine. It's better than me having to host the files myself. Why did that happen? Why didn't it do anything? Thanks for the follow. Why oh no. Why is it totally not working? Hello. No, so it works like this. Do you have to do, is there some... Am I dumb? I don't actually know how to pipe into... No, you can just pipe into SH. That's what they're doing. But why doesn't that work? No, it's not working. This is a crazy script. You need a -s? No, that doesn't do anything. Okay, they're doing bin sh for their... It says commands are read from standard in. I just don't know what the difference is here. Piping script. Okay, wait. Hold on. Okay, it's holding up on read. Did they do any reads in this one? Oh, I hate that that downloads. It's so annoying. Okay, wait. Here's what they do. If need tty equals yes, the installer is going to want to ask for confirmation by reading a standard in. The script was piped into sh Doesn't have standard in. Instead, we're going to explicitly connect dev.tty to the installer standard in. Hi. Okay. This is what we want. Oh, thanks. Okay, let's do this. Let's do this on my actual machine so we're not... I want to curl this thing to example. And then I want to read it in an editor that actually... And then we're also going to get bash stack. What file do I need? Bootstrap? Yeah. So what, hey, thanks for the follow. What are we doing here? We're stealing code. Need TTY equals yes. Okay, so they're checking to basically see if yeah, so we can just do this when we get to the read. So here we need to connect to dev.tty in order to read standard in. So need TTY. If checking if we don't have one. What's this? What's this else? Cannot execute file. Whoa, wait, is the way that this thing works, is it like... What is this? We're doing some stuff for our project called Bash Stack. Perhaps you want to do... That's a good idea. Wait, is that how you do that? I think our errors all go to standard out right now, but they also say error. I'm trusting you on the syntax. You sure there's not an ampersand in there? way I've always done this is like this. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Okay, that's all of our errors. We just have files called one around. Why do I feel like they're doing crazy things here? They're like, I feel like they're downloading another script and then running that script. That's true. So is this the only way to do this? I actually don't know what ignore does. Is ignore something that they wrote? Oh, it is. This is just for indicating that commands results are being intentionally ignored. All right, maybe we just go Google this one. Piping a script into bash. Read from standard in. No. Read will interact with the user. Yeah, is this all I have to do? I think we might be over complicating it here. I don't even know if that if is necessary. I just whatever. So if we run, okay, if we cat bootstrap into bash. Okay, it still works. Hi. Unless it doesn't work, because now it's hung for some reason. What? Oh. It wasn't hung, it was just really thinking. Okay. I think we're good then. Read from dev tty if we need to. Okay. Unzip not found. Fair. Oh, and we're using, okay. So we should go into bash. I mean, it makes more sense for us to go into bash since this is the bash stack. It's like a prereq anyways. Okay, we don't have unzip though. Oh, jeez. Okay. Nice. What's in site? Did I make site? When did I make that? Apparently I made it like today, but like a while ago. All right, remove that. I don't know what that is. Okay. I think all we need to do now is update the README. So we're gonna say, we're gonna get rid of this line that the bootstrapper is coming soon. Actually, I don't know if you can do that on GitHub. Actually, do we need the HTTPS? No. Keep it short. I think Caddy will auto HTTPS that. I mean, it's a redirect anyways to HTTPS, so. Create a new bash stack app. So we have this. We do kind of have better examples now. We don't have docs or database abstraction, but those can come later. See, that looks nice. Database abstraction. I just want to be able to like do like CRUD operations on a text file. I just want to write some like helpers around sed. Feels like it would be good to have. Oh no, we're not going to use actual databases. So the whole meme in bash stack is that your uh your data is like it's just a folder called data. That's where the data goes. I mean, technically you could put, okay, here's the thing. And here's why I was initially thinking that the S could be SQLite, because who doesn't love SQLite, right? Everybody loves SQLite. The problem is that maybe the database is out of scope. You use what you want. Well, okay, so here's the problem. How would you write to SQLite, right? Well, you could use the CLI. However, the CLI has no way to do prepared statements. So no matter what you do, you're going to be like opening yourself up to SQL injection. And it's just not really something you can solve without like writing your own wrapper around SQLite. And so I didn't want to like have to put a bunch of C code in the project to make it work. You know what I mean? I did some research because I was willing to go the distance and like write my own like sanitization for SQLite commands, but it's just not. It's just not a thing. They don't want you to do that. But I think making like a very basic set of functions, like a, I don't know. I guess select is already a word in Bash. You can't take that, but we could do like a query and like a, could use JQ. That's big brain. We could make our own like NoSQL database using JQ. Document database. It's not a bad idea. It's just where would JQ fit in the letters, you know? That is the one thing. Then it's like the badge stack. I just don't know where you put that J. It's tricky. We do need to come up with more awk because we don't have any awk right now. It's in the X of HTMX. I'm happy with this though. This is cool. I like how this turned out. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. We make a little awk plus sed like key value store. Let's see. I said I was gonna do some Golang, but then we spent 2 hours on the bash, which wasn't what I expected to do. But it's always welcome. So this is set up for tomorrow. Well, actually, let me install unzip. Thanks for the follow. Let's get some other nice things like JQ. What else would be good to have in this box for tomorrow? What's that? Why do we need that? Testing. What does it do? Testing. All right. First class JSON support. Well, BashStack doesn't really do that because it's HTMX. So this might not be the best tool for the job. I don't know. I think just JQ and will probably be good. HURL? How do I even search that? Hey, I'm a newbie. Can you say what you're doing? Because I don't fully understand. Can I? Okay, somebody tell me what I'm doing in the simplest words, because I don't actually know how to put it. Well, mainly I'm preparing for a stream that we're gonna do tomorrow. But the bigger picture of what I'm working on is I feel like if I say the words web framework, that's not gonna mean anything if you're a beginner. So I'm trying to think of like how you explain what a web framework is. We're writing some code that makes making websites easier. But we're doing it in a language that's like not used or recommended to do that in because it's fun. I think that's the pitch of what we're working on. It doesn't have much real world value because you'd have to be a little bit insane to run this in production like me. Yeah. Does that hopefully answer your question? BF plugins, what's that stand for? Yeah, we could. We could write an extension for Bash that you compile in and then it just gets native brainfuck support in like comments. Comments are all comments are now treated as a brainfuck program and executed. And that's how we'll do macros. Sounds pretty good. I guess let's just test the thing on the box real quick. The final integration test, right? Like, oh, what the heck? Where is it? Okay, here. Enter a project name. Test project. Please ignore. Oh, nice. And then we can just open folder. Test project, please ignore. And it wants my password again. Okay. I'm gonna install my key on the box, and if Travi doesn't have a key, then that's just not my problem. Hey, Chrissy. Oh, you're going to TwitchCon. Me too. All right, how do I put my key on the box? Yeah, we definitely do. Copy ID. Root at memes.bash stack. So now we get the password. Okay. Wait, do I have those keys? We're gonna find out. How do I like reconnect? Root at memes.bash stack. Why did it open a new window? Great. Test project, please ignore. What? I don't know what all this is. Okay, cool. Oh wait, we didn't there's one thing we're missing. We don't write to config.sh. We need to put your project name in the config. Where do we do that? Sound is gone? I don't think so. I think it might be on your end. Or Twitch's end. Yeah. Although I guess, hold on. Wait, they won't be able to hear me. Oh no. Hold on. I got this. Nope. It's on your end. Sorry. Oh, that's too big. There we go. We need to let them know. I have to communicate in the only way I know how. Oh, that's a great way to do it, Ricky. I forgot about Kawase. Also, hi, Ricky. So we went and set up a project. Kawase-S. What's -S do? S makes the cow appear thoroughly stoned. This is a good program. Maybe we should give them instructions on how to... You can get started by doing the following. CD project name. Start.sh. Seems good. Slightly better Bootstrap. Oh, come on. Why is Bootstrap the name for so many things? I don't know, it's just a good word. This is what Bootstrap does in our case. So you type this in, then you get a project name, and you say, hello world. Oh no. Oh, we need a -E. Gosh. Is it -E? I think it's -E. Why? Yeah, it is. Let's add one more new line. Let's add a couple more new lines. Let's just put new lines everywhere. I'm feeling crazy. Boom. I'm trying to decide if I like the quotes or not. And the dot slash. The dot slash is really not necessary. We can keep the quotes, but Okay, that looks better. Why? Dang it. Oops. Hello World 2. Huh? When did that happen? Caching? Caching? Does curl cache? Cache. I don't think it does. Why is that not working? Oh, right. Curl L. Wait, what? What the heck? What shell is in the remote? Which one? This one? That's bash. I mean, that one's just whatever it defaulted to. That one's not my fault. Okay, now that Echo Dashi is there. But for some reason, when I go through create.bash stack, it still has the old version. How's that happening? Just curl doesn't cache. There's no way. Is Caddy caching? Or something? No, because it's just a... Because this is just a... Is GitHub caching? It must be GitHub caching. That's a 308. Okay, now it's working. That must have been a GitHub cache. Those jerks. That was weird. Right. So if we test project and we do create, whoops, into bash, and we say test project, please ignore. Well, it put it in there. It didn't put the quotes in. That may or may not be okay, depending on what our regular expression says is valid. Yeah, we say you're not allowed to do spaces or any weird characters, so this is actually okay. All right. I think we've done it. I'm just thinking if there's anything else I want to do. Maybe just clean up this box a little bit. Okay. I thought because your remote was in Bash and you tested it in ZSH. Oh, no, it was something weird. Because it was just like the result I was getting from curl was just different. It wasn't like a behavior thing. It was just networking weirdness. I didn't explain myself very good when it was happening. God, we're connected to a lot of servers. What did I change in here? I want to be a mod to... Wait, I'm running this? When was I running this locally? Oh, thanks for the follow. I don't remember running that locally. All right. I think we did it. Fish. I think I'm gonna call it a night. Who should we raid? Cookieman's always parodying my stream titles. I said bash first, maybe go later. And so he titles his stream Rust and Nothing Else. Let's go bother him. Everyone needs to say bash is better in the chat when we get there, all right? Please. I need your support on this. Have a good night, everybody.